Okay, so let's make it all make sense. What I took was 3 eggs, about 3/4 of the container of this pure pumpkin puree. I took 1.5 cups of this Lily's milk chocolate, no sugar added chocolate chips, and which ended up being the whole pack. And then I took a little of this white chocolate baking chips and added that to it. I did 1 tablespoon of almond flour. I did 2 tablespoons of monk fruit sweetener, a pinch of salt, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And I took the just the eggs. I took just the chocolate chips, the puree, and the a little bit of the monk fruit sweetener. Put it in the microwave in a container and warmed it up for about a minute. But I did it in 30-second increments, and then it was smooth like pretty much chocolate. Then I took and I poured it in here, and look what we got. It does look pretty, and I'm going for, I'll take either a cake consistency or I'll take a brownie consistency. But as you see, I put some white chocolate chips on there and some of the dried coconut shreddings on top. And as you can see, I'm not really shying away from adding the dried coconut on top to give it a little taste variety. So I'm not gonna care how far the dried coconut cooks in. I'm cooking it at 350, and let's see what we come out with. All right, so let's see. Let's give this, I don't know, 20-30 minutes, and we'll toothpick test it. When it comes out clean, I'll stop there. Okay, so it looks great. I did a test. It's not shaky wakey. We got some browning on the chips, the white chocolate chips on top. Now let's go ahead and give a test for everybody to see. Does this toothpick go in and come out clean? Straight down. That's clean to me. So I think we are done. Okay, so now that it's cooled down, I'm gonna go ahead and cut one and give it a little piece and give it a taste test. Let's see. Yeah, they cut together like brownie squares. There's a slight bit of moistness in it. That's why it's that on there. Yeah, there's a little moisture in there, but let's see, hopefully. Okay. It held together, kept its shape. So let's get a taste test going. All right, now it's my turn to take a taste of it. Let's see what we got. All right, so this is the part that she finished down. It's staying together. As you can see, it's holding shape. Okay. It's pretty, damn. That's pretty damn good. It's like the perfect sweet treat, and there's no sugar added. It holds. It's still holding a square shape. And if you need a sweet treat, there's no sugar in this. You're gonna have no blood sugar spikes, except for maybe the coconut, shredded coconut, and that's about it. The pumpkin puree ain't gonna really do you. We got success, y'all. And that's how you're gonna make a keto-friendly, easy to eat, coconut, pumpkin, chocolate brownie. Dave Griffin, I'm out. We got success on this one. Try that.